What's up guys, my name's Nelson. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm driving a 2002 Honda Civic EX. It sounds so good. Little stuffy in here, so let me pop open my sunroof. A 5-speed manual transmission. Right now we're just going for a little test drive to kind of show you the car a little bit. I'm so happy with this car. And I want to talk to you guys about my experience on YouTube. It's a roller coaster, really. It's 100%. YouTube is a roller coaster. So I've been doing YouTube committed for 6 months now. Before that, I did walk around videos that I did just for my website, you know? So it was just kind of like a step in the door to get myself comfortable with my camera, posting videos, maybe even talking. You can see my first videos that I did. No views. Again, no views. And I was just kind of walking around it, not saying anything. Then I started talking. And then it's the same thing. Then I started doing test drive videos, POV. All I did was POV. And I got maybe like 10, 20 videos that I did not say one word. I was so scared, so nervous, so everything that I just didn't know. I didn't know anything about YouTube. I didn't know how it was gonna go, how it was gonna be. I just started doing it. The time has just flown by. I cannot believe I've been doing YouTube for 6 months now. Family business, it's Tio's Auto Sales. It's me, my mom, and my dad. It's just the three of us. We work it every single day, Monday through Saturday. That stuff about YouTube is that it's very difficult. You have a job. I work at the dealer anywhere from 8 to 10 hours a day. 6 days a week, work with my parents. You own a business, you gotta run the business. Facebook, Instagram, you know, all our social medias. I also do a lot of car washing, compounding, polishing, waxing cars, headlights on every single car. And I'm always running around through the junkyards. I'm in sales, I'm on online sales, and now I do YouTube. So what's going on is I'm doing all that at work. I get off of work and I go home and I put another 4 or 5 hours. Well, I've even gotten sick from doing YouTube for so much. I've been trying to run on 6 hours of sleep. That way I get my rest and I can wake up the next day and go to work and do YouTube all over again. I have not made $1, but I got my first sponsorship video or collaboration videos with Saver 88. Send me some headlights. I installed them for free and that was so awesome. It really was. It was the best, man. After 6 months to get $130 headlights for free, that was awesome. I tried to do a 30-day challenge kind of a thing when I first started my channel, and because of that 30-day challenge, my channel blew up. If you look at my about page, it's gonna tell you I have almost 250,000 views. 220,000 views is like what I have right now in 6 months. So that is very good, and I feel very accomplished because of that, and I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching the videos. See, let me know what cars you think are really good, and you know what you guys. Damn, I stalled it. Crap, man, I don't know how to drive 5-speed. I suck at I'm not the best 5-speed, but I'm getting there. I do have an experience in cars. We've been in business 15 years. Before that, my dad had a tire shop and he did tires for another 15 years. So we have a lot of experience, and all my family does cars one way or another. Mechanic shops, tire shops, other car dealers that my family has. I want to tell you guys that in 6 months, I've hit 5,000 watch hours. Need the subscribers, but I want to say, why haven't you guys subscribed? So I'm not 100% sure if that's where I want to be. The good stuff about YouTube, the best thing about YouTube is you guys. 100%. All the people that are commenting, talking to me, all the positivity. I just wasn't expecting all the positivity from YouTube, from, you know, the communities and stuff like that. I've met people on Honda Elements, which is the freaking coolest thing ever. Like, people that love Honda Elements, because we've always bought Honda Elements and I love them. The Honda Odyssey, Toyota Camrys, you know, Ford Mustangs, all the people that start talking to me about all these different cars, and it kind of just gets me going. I'm just like, man, I got a new Honda, I got to make a video. I got a new Toyota, I got a new Ford, I got all these different stuff, and you know, I can't wait to make the videos. You know, the grind, and it's so weird how you can adapt to things. I literally adapted to that grind and I fell in love with it. And even though it's tough and it's hard, and even though I haven't made $1, it's just a lot of fun doing it. And that grind of working like, I don't know, 15, 16 hours straight is just stuck in me. It's embedded in me. I don't want to stop. You know, I can't go to bed anymore without making a video. I'm just like, oh man, I didn't finish that video. Because I'm like that. I'm just crazy. I'm a crazy person. People tell me that I'm crazy all the time, whether it's because my prices are so expensive or this or that, or the way I work. Obviously, the goal is 1,000 to start getting paid on YouTube. The 4th of the new year of 2022. My goal was to get 500 by the end of the new year. So, we did it. Thank you guys. I made a goal and I accomplished it, and I'm very happy. I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. I know it's gonna happen. It's just a matter of time. You guys, about the way I got sick. I was doing YouTube every day. Every day I was doing YouTube, and it was really cool. My son fell asleep, girlfriend fell asleep. I would start doing the videos, and I would put about 5 hours a day. So I would go to bed like around 4 in the morning every single day. The way I planned it, it's been a nice run. 6 months, 200-something thousand views, 570 subscribers. I mean, that's just awesome. And you know, I'm just gonna continue to do what I'm doing, and I really appreciate you guys. Do a 30-day challenge where I make a video every single day, but I'm not gonna be doing as heavy editing as I usually do. I'll still do the faces, because you know, I'm just like that kind of guy. I'm not a professional for sure. You guys know I'm not a pro. Let's grind, Isaac. Woo, man, I love this thing. I'm broke, son, but it's whatever, because I'm getting to learn all these things. You know, I've never been an editor. That's what I am. I've never been a director. That's what I am. You know, I've never been any of these things, and I have no experience in any of them. I just got to keep working, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. And of course, you guys got to keep watching. So thank you guys so much. Just the way I'm in it to win it for the YouTube. I'm committed to YouTube, and I hope I can do this for the next 10 years.